The GSX-R1000R sits firmly in the litre class superbike category. While it is fully capable of obliterating lap times, it is famously designed with a slightly broader philosophy than its peers, to be the king of sport bikes on the road as well as the track. It is less of a dedicated track weapon than the Yamaha R1 or Ducati Panigale V4, making it a viable choice for aggressive canyon carving and street riding where mid-range usability matters. Top 3 direct competitors: Yamaha YZF-R1M, Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR, BMW S1000RR. The GSX-R1000R utilizes a 999 8cc inline-4 engine equipped with mechanical variable valve timing to produce 199 horsepower and 86.7 pound-feet of torque, delivered through a standard bidirectional quickshifter. The defining characteristic of this powertrain is the Suzuki Racing Variable Valve Timing, SR-VVT. Unlike competitors that often feel hollow below 8,000 revolutions per minute, the GSX-R1000R offers genuine low-end grunt. The SR-VVT uses centrifugal force to shift the intake cam timing at high RPMs, giving you the best of both worlds. Immediate torque off the line, and a screaming top-end rush that pulls violently to the 14,500 revolutions per minute redline. The exhaust note is deep and guttural at idle, transitioning into a distinct wailing intake howl, the Suzuki induction roar, as the revs climb a sound that is less metallic than the BMW and less syncopated than the Yamaha Crossplane. This is where the R designation earns its price premium over the standard model. The bike is fitted with the superb Showa balance-free front BFF fork and the balance-free rear cushion BFRC light shock. The external damping circuits on the BFF forks equalize oil pressure, providing incredibly plush feedback over street imperfections while maintaining hydraulic stability under heavy track braking. It feels planted and old-school stable, rather than twitchy or hyper-agile. Braking. It uses Brembo monoblock calipers, clamping down on massive 320mm T-drive discs. The R model specifically benefits from stainless steel braided lines, which reduces lever fade during repeated heavy braking. However, the master cylinder is a Nissin unit that provides a slightly softer initial bite compared to the Brembo master cylinders found on European rivals. Weighing in at roughly 203 kilograms wet, it is not the lightest in class, but it masks its weight well. It requires slightly more physical input to initiate a turn than a Yamaha R1, but once on its side, the mechanical grip and chassis feedback are confidence-inspiring, holding a line with absolute neutrality. The tech package is comprehensive but utilitarian compared to the flashy interfaces of modern Europe. The bike relies on a 6-axis inertial measurement unit (INU) to manage the motion track brake system, cornering ABS, and the 10-level motion track traction control system. It effectively manages wheelies and rear-wheel slides without feeling overly intrusive or digital. Display critique. This is the bike's weakest link. The negative LCD dashboard looks dated, reminiscent of a digital alarm clock from the 2010s. While it is legible in direct sunlight, it lacks the premium feel, color, and intuitive navigation of the TFT displays found on practically every competitor in this price bracket. Suzuki has traditionally built the most accommodating superbike ergonomics, and the GSX-R1000R continues this trend. Riding position, While still aggressive with low clip-ons, the reach to the bars is shorter and the rider triangle is less compact than a ZX-10R or R1. You sit in the bike rather than on top of it. Comfort. The seat is surprisingly plush for a race replica, and the fuel tank shape allows you to grip securely with your knees, taking weight off your wrists. Wind protection. The fairing is aerodynamic but narrow. For long-distance highway riding, the wind blast will hit your shoulders, though the helmet airstream is relatively clean.